Welcome back to Echoes of Fear. Today's video features a story from a man named Jake who inherited his grandmother's house. At first, Jake was excited about his new home. However, he was not sure if he actually wanted to live in it. It was very old and needed a lot of repairs. One night he decided to spend the night there to try it out. But after what happened that night, he made the decision to never stay in that house again. Just pay attention to the clown's head. Do you think the house is haunted?